I guess he's just different.
He's too short, he dresses like a girl, he's different.
I'm grumpy. I spit. I wake up on the wrong side of the bed. I'm just different, apparently.
Ash, I know what it's like to feel different.
Good times are singing, they sang. Those times are echoing through me.
It's on you now, Shoto.
I'm your puppet. You control me. I'm your puppet. I don't know me.
Ha! Got that? I was fine by myself! You're just a quirkless failure who won't even cut it as a Renica! You didn't help me! You did nothing! Huh? Of course he is! He's a quirkless loser! That's why I hate you!
How to defeat him. You're right, Izuku. Hurt. Already an old pro at this. Aren't you, Izuku? Catch up to you. I was kind of a punk in the sub, but you have no idea how much I wanted your autograph.
You're their leader, aren't you, kid? If you keep looking down on everyone else, you'll never be able to see your own weaknesses.
I guess he's just different.
He's too short, he dresses like a girl, he's different.
I'm grumpy. I spit. I wake up on the wrong side of the bed. I'm just different, apparently.
Ash, I know what it's like to feel different.
It's too late. What's done is done.
No.
There's nothing I can do, Bojack. I'm not real. None of this is.
So what do I do now?
Bojack, it doesn't matter.
Well, if it doesn't matter, can I stay on the phone with you at least?
Okay.
I don't care. I gotta know, what exactly is Deku to you? So you passed too. How'd you manage that, Deku? Kajan! Hey! Guess I shouldn't be surprised with that quirk you got. Looks like you've made that borrowed power your own.
If it's not pity talking, it must be your ego! Joy and blessings you people talk about are nowhere to be found in my life! Someone like you grew up wanting for nothing! You seem normal because you played by the rules! You have no idea what an easy life you had! You always act like you're so nice! But you want to cage me and sentence me to death! Or would you rather kill me right here? Like they murdered Jean! This is a win-or-lose, life-or-death scenario! The only way I survive is by winning! One of us will die. And you're bleeding out, hero. Damn it! Why won't you die already?
How? Is anybody gonna run out?
Put that fucking phone down, bitch, and bring your ass over here.
Oh, bitch, you got me fucked up.
Come over here, I'm gonna show you some fucking reality.
Go home.
I should have gone home. I wanna go 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 home.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong, and what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost.
Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that this is the story of how I became the world's greatest hero.
Remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Why don't you bring your girlfriend? Oh, she eyes me down exactly. We'll just find a way to get out.
Because you get nothing else from me today. Goodbye. Don't make me call Portia. Oh, gee.
Cops don't like me. Wait. There's no way Midoriya would ever hurt anybody. Guys, a cop asked me what's my name and don't lie. And I'm asking officer why. Why you wanna mess with a brother like me when you know I'm living legit?
Jump out of bed, mix up a breakfast for my favorite pet snail. Full steam ahead, the SS I am ready is about to set sail. This kind of day couldn't get much better, but it keeps on trying. Yeah.
They will fight and run away. Mother, tell me, so I say. Hide me here, they have you buried, all you children. Tell me, so I say. Hide me here, they have you buried, all you children. Tell me, so I say. Forest walls and starry ceiling, barren curtains that you live in, like the stories that you keep inside your head.
They won't teach you this in your classes, but look it up. Hamilton was wearing his glasses. Why? If not to take deadly aim, it's him or me. The world will never be the same. I had only one thought before the slaughter. This man will not make an orphan of my daughter.
Number 9.
Look him in the eye, aim no higher. Summon all the courage you require. Then count
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10. Paces fire.
How did we know that this plan would work? We had a spy on the inside. That's right.
Hercules Mulligan.
Tell a spying on the British government. I take the measurements, information, and then I smuggle it to my brother's revolutionary covenant. I'm running with the Sons of Liberty, and I am loving it. See, that's what happens when you up against the ruffians. We in the shit now, somebody's gotta shovel it. Hercules Mulligan, I need no introduction. When you knock me down, I get the fuck back up again.